everybody. I'm Rob Anderson. I'm here on a windy Las Vegas evening. We're doing some street magic, though, and I just met Daryl and Shannon, and we are going to try to do a little bit of magic for them right here on the Las Vegas Strip. You guys are a couple. I know I've learned that about you so far. How long have you been together, though?
We've been dating about 5.5 years.
5.5 years, wow. It's about as long as I've been in Vegas. It's a good amount of time to be together. It's good. So 5.5 years ago, when I was moving here, you were doing some of your first dates.
Yeah.
Getting to know each other?
We actually met in Vegas. We were met online, but we knew each other for 6 weeks, and we decided to have our first date in Vegas.
I love it. That's amazing.
Face to face in Vegas.
Well, then let's take you back to that first date when maybe you held hands on your first date in Vegas with a first magic
Oh, we
drink.
did more than that, but yeah.
Ah! This is gonna be a good video. You're funny. I like you. Hey, all right. Daryl, could you hold a hand out just like this? I'm gonna hand you a card. Shannon, I need you to be ready to put your hand on top of Daryl's when I hand him this 7, okay?
Okay.
It's windy. I don't want that to blow away. Please place your hand on top of his so that doesn't blow away.
Okay.
Thank you so much. I'm gonna take my own card for this trick, okay? I don't want you to think I'm gonna try to take your card away from you or anything, but I'm gonna use the Ace of Hearts. The hearts are better for you. You're in love. Remember that love you felt in some of those first dates? Did you feel that? Yes? Did you feel that? Yes? Did you feel that?
Whoa.
Look, look.
Come on.
Crazy.
It's the right answer. Thank you. All right.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Wow.
I actually made a little prediction about meeting a great couple before I came here. I have 4 cards here. I took queens out of my deck. I made a prediction on one. I'll show you in a second. I think I predicted what you're about to do, okay? I know.
What I'm about to do.
Watch. Nothing weird.
Okay.
I don't want you to think this is sleight of hand, though, so I want you to hold these, cupping them just like I have them so they don't move or blow away. Just with one hand. Cup your hand like mine is.
Okay.
Hold them, hold tight, freeze like that. You're holding 4 queens. It's a 2-part trick. Has to do with your compatibility together as a couple. You're going to do great.
I love hearts and diamonds.
Hey, well, that's the ones Daryl just picked, so you get to pick either one. Which one would you like, the heart or diamond?
Oh, diamond.
It's been 5.5 years. No pressure, right, Shannon?
She has been bugging me.
Let's see if we can make a diamond. The Queen of Diamonds. That's the one I
my
predicted.
gosh.
That's
You're
what I predicted
kidding
for
me.
you guys. Look, I was so sure about the diamond, I took it out of a totally different deck of cards. That's how sure I was. I knew that I know you're very compatible. And I knew that in advance, so I didn't bring anything else except the Queen of Diamonds. That's all I brought.
Come on.
Really good.
Very compatible.
Really good.
I would like you to think of any happy memory you've made with Daryl. Don't say it, just think. I won't try to guess it or say what it is. Just think of the time you felt happy with this guy. I'm sure there have been plenty. When you have it, I'd like you to think approximately what time it was to the nearest hour. So just 1 through 12 o'clock, think, don't say. You can be approximate if you need to. So right now, you should have a number 1 through 12 locked into your mind. 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and 1 o'clock. Again, just try to picture it's a clock. This is our 12 o'clock card right here. I know you're thinking of something on this clock. I've got to figure out what that is. Again, 12 is right here. Just put these away here.
Whoa.
Oh, we're going to
Let
shift.
the wind gust go down here.
Yeah. We're going to cut this wind gust out of the video. I'm going to turn the table. Watch, the 12 is right here. Watch it. I'm just going to turn this like this. Again, if 12 is right here, we're looking at 1 through 12. I've got to figure out what that is. I'm going to lay a fork on the table that I stole from dinner earlier. Don't tell them, please. And I'm going to lay this, Shannon, at the number 9 o'clock. I can tell that wasn't your number. Watch the fork. 10 o'clock. Was it 10? She thought of 10 o'clock.
Oh my gosh.
That's an important card. We're going to call that a very special, important card. It's the only one that matters. Put your finger right there on top. Put your finger on top so it doesn't blow away. None of these other cards matter. We don't need them. We don't care about them. The only one that matters is that
Wow.
10 o'clock card that represents a very special memory that you guys made. And here's the other thing about that. I'll leave that with you as a souvenir. Keep your finger on it. I'll leave it with you as a souvenir. I'm going to take it first. I'm going to take it and show the camera, and I'm going to show Daryl what. Oh, that's a good card. You can remember that card,
Okay,
yes?
yep.
Why don't you take that, Daryl? That's your souvenir for the night.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready, I'll let you show Shannon what the 10 o'clock card is.
You won't believe it, hon. Look.
Oh my, what?
I love you, Shannon. Will you marry me? I love you so much. I just want to go through my life with you.
Oh my God.
I want to spend the rest of my life with you.